I'd like to invite Mr. Ravi Kumar, famously known as Mark. Singing Manavyala Kinchara, Nalina Kantiraga. Just 1 second.
This is the first time for me on stage. So I'm feeling pretty nervous. I want to start by saying that I got the idea of this song from Surya. Surya played this in flute in Thiruvayaru last year. I listened to that song for the first time and I was mesmerized by it. I listened to it about 1,000 times after that myself on YouTube and stuff like that, and I like it. I'm going to try. Apologies for all the mistakes. So, Manavyala kinchara date Manavyala kinchara date Manavyala kinchara date Manmamellathil Vedane Manasa Manavyala kinchara date Manmamellathil Vedane Manasa Manavyala kinchara date Kanudaina 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 Shri Ramachandrani Kanudaina Shri Ramachandrani Karuna Taranga Mudelisinina Kanudaina Shri Kanudaina Shri Ramachandrani Karuna Taranga Mudelisinina Manavyala kinchara date Marmamellathil Vedane Manasa Manavyala kinchara date Karma Kanta Mata Kristulai Baba Karma Kanta Mata Kristulai Baba Gagana Charulai Gasi Chantaka Karma Kanta Mata Kristulai Baba Gagana Charulai Gasi Chantaka Kani Manava Kani Manava Avatarudai Kani Manava Avatarudai Kani Pinchinade Nadana Tyagaraju Kani Manava Kani Manava Avatarudai Kani Pinchinade Nadana Tyagaraju Manavyala kinchara date Manmamellathil Vedane Manasa Manavyala